The first step to add writeback to a dashboard is to drag the extension object in. Then, access local extensions. Next, select your .trex file. Once you are logged in, you can start configuring writeback. First, select the type of form you want for your dataset. In this example, we will be using the Smart Table. Next, choose the worksheet and the fields that will be captured. You can use this menu to add or remove fields. These will allow you to later join back with your source data. As writeback creates a separate table to store your entries, the dataset name field allows you to define its name. The next section is where you define what fields will be used as inputs in your writeback dataset. In this example, we are using two numeric fields, one predefined, one Boolean and one text field. The fields defined here will vary according to your use case. For the predefined, you must specify its options just below it. When done, click Submit. This will create a new table in your database where all the entries for this dataset will be stored. The dashboard is now ready to be published with writeback configured in it.